I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a professional Instagram page. First, clearly define your niche and target audience to guide your content strategy. Your profile picture should be high quality and recognizable, perhaps a logo or a clear headshot. Craft a compelling bio that uses relevant keywords, clearly stating what you offer in 150 characters or less. This helps new visitors understand your brand immediately and find you through searches. Next, focus on creating engaging content. Develop a consistent content calendar, aiming to post at least 3 to 5 times per week to maintain audience interest. Ensure all your visuals are high resolution and aesthetically pleasing, aligning with your brand's visual identity. Write compelling captions that encourage interaction, perhaps asking questions or sharing valuable insights. Remember to mix up your content formats, including photos, short videos, and Instagram Reels, to keep your feed dynamic. Building a professional Instagram page also means fostering a strong community. Actively respond to comments and direct messages within 24 hours to show you value your audience. Strategically use a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags, up to 30 per post, to increase discoverability. Consider collaborating with other creators or businesses in your niche. This can introduce your content to new audiences and expand your reach significantly, creating mutually beneficial partnerships. Finally, continuously analyze and optimize your strategy. Regularly check your Instagram insights to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Pay attention to metrics like reach, engagement rate, and follower growth. Identify your top-performing posts and the demographics of your most active followers. Use this valuable data to refine your content calendar, adjust your posting times, and tailor future content to better meet your audience's preferences, ensuring continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.